Let's take a look at the project panel. You can view the files in two ways, list view and the icon view. You can increase the size of the icons by dragging the slider here. Drag it to the right side to increase the size. You can search for a particular file in the search bar. Double click on a file to rename it. You can give a name camera B. To create a new folder, you can hit the new bin button. You can rename the folder. Drag and drop files into the folder. You can view the different files and also create new items which will be covered in the future lesson.